We're back to learning Midjourney. A new update dropped. It's now version 7 in alpha mode. So there's a new model. It's certainly worth it to check it out. But the biggest change or the biggest new feature is the draft mode. This renders your images 10 times faster, costs you less. It can be used to just spitball ideas. It's very easy to use. Just go to create and you will find a draft mode button right here. It should be locked though. If you're totally new to version 7, you have to personalize it first. But let me just run an example. I'll make this a comic character male. Maybe the hero. And I add multiple angles. If I just run this, number one is it's going to add terms to the prompt, and you can see how fast this runs. So here it has added stuff for the colors, the poses, facial expressions, costumes. Let me add, for example, red colors, dark theme, run it again, and within seconds you've got a result. If you just need something to brainstorm ideas, the new draft mode is certainly what you want to choose. A couple of options here. When you use variation, it's going to take longer, so it's not going to vary your draft. It's the old variation. You can rerun. This is still the draft mode, so this runs very quick. And now we have something called enhance. And enhance is not an upscale. So we still have an upscaler above for these drafts, but now on top an enhance, and the enhance basically takes the prompt, tries to stay as close to the generation, but you're gonna get different results. So this is basically a rerun, but this time it's not gonna use the draft mode then. So let us simply pick an example and I'll show you the difference between the enhance and the upscaler. Let's just say maybe this one right here. So I'm going to upscale it with the two options and then also use the enhancer. And upscale is going to give you the typical quality, but it's going to stay close to this draft. And the enhance gives you a typical quality, but it's going to give you a variation of your draft. So that's the big difference here. Right next to the draft mode, you will see the P icon for personalization. As I've said, you need to unlock it via personalize first to be able to use it. And then you can create, for example, your own mood boards and stuff like this and use it here. In general, the global V7 profile, this has to be unlocked with 200 rankings, so you have to run at least 200 rankings to be able to use the draft mode, but that's quickly done. And this is the new draft mode in Midjourney. I hope this video was helpful, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.